When you open Autodesk Fusion 360, this is the screen you get. Let us see how to open a new document. I can go to File, New Design. So here I get an untitled window. By default also there is a window available. I'm closing one window. I can go to Save. It is showing me the location, my project, my first project is a default name. Here I can enter any name and then I can click on Save. When you save a file in Fusion 360, it is not saved in your local system, but it is saved in the cloud. You can see the products created from the data panel. You can use and modify them by retrieving from data panel. If you want to save to your local system, you have to retrieve it from the cloud, which we will see in coming sections. Now let's see the different tools that are available in part modeling. In the sketch, we first select a plane, and on this plane, using these tools, we create our skeleton. Then we go back to 3D and perform different operations using Create tools. And then you can make modifications using these tools. In our journey of learning, we will not be taking each and every tool in this order. We will try to create real-world products and learn all these tools in the process. So, fasten your seat belts. We are going to design a chair in the next section.